Here's what not to do, kids. Do as I say and not as I do. Hey, Robert, Mom, don't watch this part. So, Robert, the engine hoist that you gave me, I have looped a piece of chain around the legs, and I have taken the U-bolt and put it right there in the middle. And I'm just going to give it a little bit of a squeeze. Only need it to spread a little bit. And I think that's all it takes. We'll test fit it. All right, here we go. There's 2 of them that were too tight to go on. Now they fit. Yay. All right, so now that all 4 of those fit, I can place the other brackets.